So yeah, the cool part about the Insta360 X5, oh, that's a lot of letters. You get options with Instaframe. You get the option of doing a 16:9 video or a 9:16 video. Right now I'm in a 16:9 aspect ratio. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. This is a portion that you would probably use it. You can also put a 360 view up. So that's another cool part about having the X5 versus the X4. Instaframe is like gorgeous. We got some sky seekers, sky watchers. People out here got the telescopes for the night sky. It's pretty dark night sky. It's not the darkest night sky, but it is a pretty dark sky night. How's that dynamic range working out? That's the other thing about the X5 that's different. You get the dynamic range. How does it sound? I got the main mic facing me.